Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog is a DIY. So I try my best to make my own paper flower out of this paper right here. Okay, because I had a big sheet of paper and I cut it in half. So I was watching a little tutorial to say how to make a paper plane. A paper flower. Once I had this paper, I was coloring it. I had to cut it in half. Then I started to cut it in half. Then I started to, how I show you. I was doing a little fold, do like this. Use my pencil, make the mark, use my scissors, cut it. Then I stapled it, and this is what I got. It's kind of, it looks like a flower. Like you can see the stem in the middle right here. Here's it like this. I just stapled it right there because before I didn't know what it looked like. So, this is my DIY paper flower. Comment down below if you think if it's a paper flower. If it doesn't, then I will practice because it's so cute. And if you want, I don't know, you can make designs if you want. I don't know, like you can put a little flower design. Okay. You can make a little design if you want to. Yeah, so I was trying to make a flower. It doesn't look bad for a first try. I give this a 2 out of 10. It could have been better because the flower how she did was more big out. But it doesn't look like bad for a flower. It looks really good, right? But anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. Stay tuned for more DIY videos. This was like a flower, you know what I'm saying? I try my best on it. Like, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay? God bless. Oh yeah. God bless. And if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias. And I'll see you for tomorrow's vlog and Tuesday's vlog. Bye.